Hey guys, welcome back to MDC Technology Central. Today I'll be talking about reasons you should still use Internet Explorer in 2020. Internet Explorer is the OG browser. Just because Microsoft discontinued it, hasn't updated it with a new version in 7 years, or that only your grandma uses it, or that no one uses it anymore, Internet Explorer is still a great browser that you can use in 2020. So today I'll be talking about reasons why you should use Internet Explorer. Reason number 1. I'll demonstrate the first reason why you should still use Internet Explorer. First, open Internet Explorer. Then go to this website. Once you see the blue download button, click it, download Chrome, and never look back. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.